Have you ever wondered how long it takes for Raiz to process your investments? It's a question that many new users ask, and it's a valid one. Raiz is a popular investment app that allows you to invest small amounts of money regularly. This micro-investing approach has made investing more accessible to many people. But when you make an investment, how long do you have to wait before it's actually processed? Understanding the process, before we dive into the specifics, it's important to understand the investment process. When you invest through Raiz, your money is typically invested in a managed fund. These funds are professionally managed by investment experts. Factors affecting processing time. Several factors can influence how long it takes for Raiz to process your investment. Fund type. Some funds may have longer processing times than others. For example, funds that invest in more complex assets, like real estate or derivatives, might take longer to process. Investment amount. Larger investment amounts might also take longer to process. This is because there are more steps involved in handling larger sums of money. Market conditions. If the market is experiencing high volatility or other unusual conditions, it may take longer for Raiz to process your investment. System issues. Occasionally, technical issues or system maintenance can cause delays. Typical processing times. While there's no exact timeline, here's a general idea of what you can expect. Small, straightforward investments. These might be processed within a few business days. Larger or more complex investments. These could take up to a week or even longer. Real-world examples. To give you a better idea of how long it might take, let's look at some real-world examples. Example 1. John invested $50 in a simple index fund. His investment was processed within 2 business days. Example 2. Sarah invested $1,000 in a fund that invests in emerging markets. Her investment took about 5 business days to process. Tips for faster processing. If you want your investment to be processed as quickly as possible, here are a few tips. Choose a simpler fund. Funds that invest in more straightforward assets, like stocks and bonds, are generally processed faster. Make smaller investments. Smaller investments are often processed more quickly than larger ones. Avoid investing during peak times. If possible, try to avoid investing during times of high market activity, as this can increase processing times. While there can be variations in processing times, you can generally expect your Raiz investments to be processed within a reasonable time frame. By understanding the factors that can affect processing times and following the tips we've discussed, you can help ensure a smooth investment experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.